The Japanese standard is an excellent method of trading for the beginners. You don't have to use complicated indicators. The strategy works with any sets. The preparation for the trade. Open the chart type Japanese candles on the OlympTrade platform. Choose the 5 minutes time period. It's better to choose 10 minutes time trade. Now everything is ready for the trade. Call option. To open the up trade, we need to find on the chart the following reverse pattern. When we see that the green candle goes after the previous red candle and becomes higher than the red one, it gives us the signal to buy the binary option call. Our forecast has come true and we get 90% to our trade amount. Put option. Now we will train to open down trades. We need to find the following combination of Japanese candles on the chart. As you can see, the red candle became longer than the green one and covered it. It gives us the signal to buy the binary option put. The trade was opened and we'll see the result in 10 minutes. As we can see, the Japanese standard strategy really works. But for increasing the amounts of profitable trades, please follow our recommendations. Trade in the period of European and American sessions from 7 a.m. till 5 p.m. GMT. Follow the economic calendar. Avoid trading while important news are coming out. Open trades using the Japanese standard strategy and get profit with OlympTrade.